friend you down. What a beautiful nature here in my village that makes me husk in the silence. Feels like God creates all of it for me. I close my eyes for a while, relax, breezy wind, and joy that I deeply felt at the moment. The wind swishing rhymes around the mountain. Lush tree stands beautifully. What a breathtaking sight that makes whoever gazed into stones. There is nothing that we can do except protecting our Mother Earth, so it will become a valuable legacy for our next